Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. Do you guys remember that I was in EICMA last week?
Smokey is the best.
And I actually said I really wanted to ride the Moto Morini X-Cape 650.
That one. I do like that.
Well, I'm not going to ride it today, but we're gonna unbox it. That's a good start. We are back at MotoMondo and we got Guido with us yet again.
My name is Jeff.
And we're gonna unbox it. Let's go. At one job. One job. Yes. Smells like pizza. Now the Royal Enfield actually came with a lot of ropes, and they're using zip ties for this one. So I probably didn't say it yet, but this bike is 7,800 euros. And it also comes with a Bosch injection system, Bosch ABS. And look at that. We get the Pirelli Scorpion tires. Yeah. And not only that, but the cool part. Look at that. Brembo brakes in the back. And double Brembos in the front. Look at that. And a Marzocchi front suspension. 50mm upside down. Decent. So this Italian stallion, 649 cc's, and it's got 60 horsepower and 54 Nm of torque. Top speed 170. We should try that out later. The dry weight is 214 kilograms, and it's got an 18-liter gas tank. Nice. Now what I also like about this seat is that it's very high up the gas tank. So in case you get a bad case of a tank slapper, your ball sack doesn't get scrambled. Look at that. Nice.
That's true. Bandjes.
Take them out. Guido has obviously been hitting the gym.
Yeah, buddy! Wait!
Yep. So I've just been informed that they're even going to make it a little bit cheaper with the X-Cape 1200 V-twin coming out. A little bit cheaper. Yeah, did I already say it's like 7,800 euros? Gonna be even less than that. Yeah. And this is the Passion Red. It also comes in Carrera White and also in Smokey Anthracite. Well, we call it Anthracite or Anthracite, but I think it's Graphite Gray. Smoky Graphite. Smoky Graphite. Look at that, a beautiful red front fender. Tomato sauce red, pure Italian stallion. Yeah, professional edits. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Of course we got a clutch cable and a throttle cable. That's also pretty good because if you're doing some off-roading and the cable snaps, you can still go home with just like pulling the cable. If it's like hydraulics and a hydraulics break or start leaking, yeah, you're screwed. You can MacGyver yourself home with a cable. Now on the website you can only get the red one with the golden wheels. So you cannot get the graphite one or the white one with the golden wheels. No idea why that is, but you just can't. Ooh, 7-inch color display. Look at that. That thing is huge. It's like a freaking tablet. Nice. It's time for my most favorite part of the day. Satisfying peels. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. The most important one, the screen, I'm gonna leave this one to Hito. Oh. Team MotoMondo.
My name is Jeff.
We got 3 bags of moist control. Nice parallel twin.
Yeah, buddy! Wait! Yeah, boo!
Time to put in the front wheel, but I think I threw something important away.
Yeah.
I thought it was like just to keep the bike in place, but turns out this is actually the shaft for the front wheel. Yeah.
Gotta use a solid hand, Guido. Solid hand, like that. No.
Now the key on this one is a little bit better to find. It's just in the ignition. Whoop. Yeah, look at that. It's already starting to look pretty goddamn good. Now the seating height on this one, stock, is 845 millimeters, and with the lowered seat it's 820. And a ground clearance of 190 millimeters. And you might be thinking like, hey, no protection whatsoever, but that's also optional. So it's like a belly pan that comes from here all the way down there. So you don't have these plastic ones. Yeah. Double charger. To all the other European brands, we need 2 chargers. Yeah. Got the LEDs in the back and also some nice LEDs in the front. Looks a little bit like a Ducati. Look at that. Oh, what a job Guido has. He can do like satisfying peels on a daily basis. It's kind of making Smokey jealous. One hand adjustable windscreen. Yeah, it's still new. Unlock it like that. Unlock it. Unlock it. So, like I said, this is the tomato sauce Italian one. This is the red passion one. And over here we have the Carrara white one. Also a very nice looking color. And the smoky graphite one. Also pretty decent. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. If you put it in off-road, you actually get a knobby tire as a ref counter. Look at that. Cool. And also with the BMW GS, a lot of people were complaining that it did not have backlights on buttons. And even the Moto Morini has it. Look at that. And the horn. The screen, the 7-inch display also got Bluetooth navigation and a big ass GPS built into it. Yeah. Let's start it up and let's rev it a couple times. So yeah, did I already say that these bikes are 7,800 euros and they're gonna be even cheaper, like 7,300? Yeah. Big thanks again to MotoMondo for letting me unbox another motorcycle, and also to my buddy Guido.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping me out today. And you guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, drive safe. See ya. If you want to know all about YouTube, just go to smokeytube.com, and if you want to see the next video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there, and subscribing is like done over here somewhere, I don't know. Anyway, thank you all for watching yet again. Now just click on that one and that one.